Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste a table on the Google Docs. So here I've already opened a document on my Google Docs. Let's say I have this little table in here. I want to copy this table into another page. So what you need to do here is just select the table is in here, so just select it like this, the whole table. I'm going to select from up. Okay, now you can just right click on a table and click on copy. Now let's open a new page in here. I'm going to go to here, okay, at the end of this one's right here, and I'm going to click on insert and add a page break. Okay, now you can just right click again and click on paste. So now the table has been copied. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.